Hi everyone. Welcome to channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to unprotect an Excel sheet without having the password. This technique is useful if you've forgotten the password or need to recover access to a sheet you own. Let's dive in. Here we have a protected Excel sheet. Whenever we try to make changes, we get a message asking for the password. If you don't have it, don't worry. We'll use a small hack to unlock the sheet. But remember, this is for only ethical use only. Before proceeding for unlocking, just remember which sheet is protected. Let's get started. The very first step we need to do is to change the extension of our Excel file from .xlsx to .zip. In case you are not able to see the extension of your file, then quickly open any folder on your desktop. From the menu, click View and then check File Name Extensions. Once you rename, now open the zip file. From the list you will see the folder Excel. Open that folder and then you will find the folder Worksheet. You will find a list of all the sheets that are there in your workbook/Excel file. The files will be in XML format. Select your file, XML file, and then extract that file on your desktop/any folder by simply drag and drop in the folder. Now open the XML file in Notepad and search for Word Sheet Protection. Select the complete code which is used by Sheet Protection and just delete it. Save the XML file and copy back, drag and drop, in the zip file. Close the zip file and then again change your file extension to .xlsx. Open the file and voila! Your sheet is unprotected now. No more passwords. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if you have any queries.